نبدا بالاستقبال.
ان شاء الله.
الاستقبال يتم استقبال المرضى هنا ويتم تسجيلهم عن طريق الموظفين، وكل البيانات تدخل في الكمبيوتر، ومن الكمبيوتر تنتقل البيانات الى المختبر. وقبل ما تنتقل للمختبر لابد انهم ياخذون موافقه مبدئيه من شركه الضمان التامينات، حتى يعني الفحص هذا قابل للاجراء ولا مسموح او انه يغطي ولا ما يغطي. اذا كان يغطي نبدا في اجراءاته، لان اذا كان ما الفحوصات هذه ما تغطي ماليا معناتها احنا ما نقدر نعمل الفحوصات هذه الا كاش مني او يعني فنقدم الفحوصات هذه.
ايوه. خدير صديقي.
You can talk in Urdu. He'll ask you in Urdu.
No, Mr. Khadir Siddiqui. Yeah. How are you?
कितने साल से आप यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं?
4 साल से 4 साल ज़्यादा हो गया।
क्या काम है?
हम यहाँ सीधा ना डॉक्टर का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेते हैं, रिक्वेशन उसको वेरीफाई करते हैं और पूरा चेक करते हैं किसका पेशेंट का एज, हर चीज़, आईडी कार्ड, इंश्योरेंस कार्ड पूरा बराबर है या नहीं है। उसके बाद जो है ना हम लोग यहाँ फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, उसको यहाँ से लैब में किलोमीटर के बाद जाता है वो, वहाँ पे लोग ब्लड पे करते हैं। अगर एक्सरे पेशेंट है तो एक्सरे में भेजते हैं, अगर लैब पे भेजते हैं। उसके बाद पेशेंट्स को गाइड करना है, कुछ उसका डाउट है या फिर कोई फ़ोन करके पूछता है कुछ रिपोर्ट चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए, तो हम लोग यहाँ से क्लैरिफाई करते हैं। क्लैरिफाई करके उसको रिपोर्ट देते हैं और कुछ भी उसका डाउट रहा है, कुछ भी रहा है तो उसको बराबर गाइड करके उसको देखते हैं।
कितने साल से आप यहाँ काम कर
4 साल से ज़्यादा, 5 साल चल रहा है मेरा यहाँ। जी बिल्कुल। आपसे भी जनाब।
Hello, good afternoon, our Tags Mختبر.
How are you?
Hello, sir. Walaikum salam. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We're open until 1:30 afternoon, and then we're going back in the evening, 4:30 until 10 o'clock. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much.
إذا كان دلوقتي أي فحوصات ثانية يقولون هناك ولا؟
ايوه ايوه اي فحوصات اللي مش متوفر هنا نحولها للمختبر الثاني. هذا الجهاز اللي تشوفوه نفس الجهاز مصغر عن هذا، الكيمستري فقط. هناك كان الكيمستري والدركس وهرمون، وهذا الجهاز مصغر شغال. هذا الجهاز ممكن تصور من داخل.
Hello, how are you? What is your good name? Alvin. How are you? I'm very happy to meet you. Muhammad. Alvin, can I ask you about your work here?
Sure, sir.
What are you doing here? What is your job?
Primarily, my job is to process blood.
Process blood.
Yeah. Whether it's CBC, chemistry, and including also urinalysis, catalysis.
How long you are working here?
I'm working here for almost like more than 3 years.
More than 3 years. Okay, thank you very much. Just
How
contact-
your just to give you an idea how we are receiving sample, login, processing, just in briefly idea about the from
Can you explain
receiving
that?
of sample
Yes.
until release result. Okay, we start from reception. Where is
They're done entering the patient. The patient will come in, sir. Then we let the patient sit here, then check for the requisition forms, check the test for that patient. We prepare the tubes that we were going to use. Then we collect blood.
Collect blood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I want to sit here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you collect blood from here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, after that?
First,
خليه
ask
يسحب
the-
قدام شوي.
we ask the patient
خليه
name
يسحب
first to verify whether if he is the right patient. Then we check the request, the test will done for that patient.
How many time process of the examination of blood? How many time you take?
It depends, sir.
It depends on
number of tests, how many tests you have.
how many tests you have.
Yes. And also, if there is a special test, it takes a long time. If it is a routine test, it will take maybe 1 hour because we have calling the turnaround time.
Yes.
This turnaround time, this is fixed time. This is like for a routine test, we have to finish it in 1 hour.
Yes.
And if it is a special test, I think how many hours you have for a special test?
Special test, if the patient come in the morning, we can release it in the
Can you say how many exams you receive every day? How many tests? Approximately.
Approximately maybe around 60 to 70
Every day.
Okay.
Then after which we collect the blood, we will bring it inside.
You are talking.
Your name is?
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Okay, sir.
So tell we have to confirm his name and age and just identify the patient.
Yeah.
How many things you have to identify? 3 things.
Yes, sir.
Tell him. Okay.
We have to identify first. Is your good name, sir?
Your good name?
Name is Ramesh.
Okay. How old are you?
57.
57.
Then are you fasting? No.
Yeah, fasting.
قاعد تسوي هو تحليل. What the test you are doing now?
Sir, I just finished the CBC.
CBC. Okay. Blood count. CBC.
RBC count, WBC count, and differential count.
Complete blood count.
How much time do you
How long
This
is it?
one will just take around 2 minutes.
2 minutes only to take result
Yes.
automatically.
And what is the size of this one? Maybe you see what is the size here? See, this is adjustable, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or maybe the calculation time. Yes. You can adjust.
The volume, and
Yeah,
which volume.
200 micron, 400 micron. How much you need? You can until what is the maximum?
For this,
One
maximum
millimeter.
is 100. 100 microliters.
100 maximum.
Yes.
There is 1000 maximum.
This one,
This is maximum one.
maximum is 1000 microliters.
Yeah.
Then this one, we have also a smaller one. Then the maximum is on the 10 micron.
0.5 to 10 micron.
Yes, sir.
هذه very small quantity. يعني لحسة. هنا عربي يقال زين. Okay. This program lab care. هذا برنامج المختبر ثم اللاب كير. هو يتعامل مع كل رقم سري، يدخل برقم سري وهذا رقم سري يدخل غلط ويرجع مرة ثانية يدخل رقم سري ويشوف النتائج، شو النتيجة اللي طالعة الحين حاليا. Did you get the report?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
just, okay.
So we collected this patient. a
This
while ago.
patient. Show them the report. Print review.
And then
This is the result already explained. So the red colors mean Ready to listen to you now, these people. Yes, what you are doing? What is your job?
Okay, I'm Leia Marie Alvarez. So my job here is a receptionist, sir. So what I'm doing is waiting for the guests and also answering for their queries and also answering for the telephone and also
And
what else?
delivering the reports for patients?
Yeah, handling the reports to the patient and also informing the patient for how long they can take the reports and also getting the cash from the patient for the co-payments or else for the cash.
And what is your type of the reports? Can you show us one of the reports? What you have for patients? So it's not one requisition form, one report.
Okay, so this is the reports. This is from the outside reports that we're having. This is from NRL.
Oh.
And then the other one
What the
is
meaning this?
National
What
Reference,
is it?
the AC. This is for Dubai accreditation.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it depends for the test, sir, because sometimes we have special tests, so we're just sending it to NRL, sometimes in advance, and then sometimes it's here. Okay, so it depends on the test, what the doctor's requisition. This is the requisition from the doctor. Okay. Okay, so this is for the requisition from the doctor with the claim form. So for this one, we're just checking it online. For example, this is the month, so we're just going to check for the eligibility and then afterwards registering the patient and then asking them if they are fasting or no, and then making them sit and then or else just wait for the line.
What do you mean eligibility? What do you
Okay,
mean?
eligibility checking is for checking if the card is eligible or not, or if the person is eligible or not. So when it is eligible, then we're just going to register the patient.
So you get an email from the month, this is eligible?
No, sir. This one is for they having for the portal. So for example, this is the month they're having for the portal, the open jet. So whenever that you see that the patient is eligible, then you can proceed for the registration.
Okay, thank you for the information. Giving idea about
Okay,
the.
welcome, sir. Thank you.